All right, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a link. If you want a internal in-app link or an external link, an in-app link is a link that stays within the app, meaning that when you click on the link, you still will see the header and the app tabs at the bottom. That is a in-app link or internal link. When you have an external link, that is a link that when you click on it, it goes outside of the app to a web page. All right, so let's first start by adding a link. Again, like everything else, there's two ways to bring a link into your home page. You can either click add item and click link, right? Or you can just go to media assets and click links. And here we're going to create a link. Create link. We'll name it whatever we want to. Link test. Right. So now we have our link description page. So again, like everything else, you can have a title, you can have a subtitle if you want. And now you're down to the different type of links. You have a website. A website is an external link. That is a link that goes, as I said earlier, goes outside of your app to a website or a browser. A video link, again, that is another external link that just goes to a YouTube page or a Vimeo page. In-app links, these are links that stays within your app. This, for example, would be like an About Us page. So if you have a website already that has an About Us page, you can use that About Us URL and post it inside of your app. You have a social media pages that you want people to go directly to, those type of things, sign up forms, engagement forms from your current website. You can take those URLs and bring them inside your app, and when users click on them, it will appear as though they're still inside your app. It does not leave the app. You have a phone option. Again, these are all self-explanatory. A phone option that if they click on it, it will either call a number or send an email. Then you have in-app contact us page. This is a standard form that comes with your logo and just some information for users to, if they want to contact you directly, you can utilize this form. For those that want to have a Bible, that's a great feature to have embedded. Same thing like everything else, you have to add the three appearances or thumbnails or artworks to go with this. We're just going to click on the first simple box and click on media assets, and we're going to go to links. Just use what we found here, send this off a little, click apply, bring that into, and just repeat this process like we've done for everything else. Real simple. Now once I have all three artworks in place, like everything else, I just come down and hit save. All right, and this is where we would decide what the URL is going to be pointing to, or what that button, when they click on it, is going to be pointing to. Right now we've just typed in the NOWCAST website, so when your users click on this link, it will take them directly to the website that you want them to go to. All right, now how do we bring this link into our home page of our mobile app? Just click on apps, again click on add item, and then come over here and click on link, and there you go. Oh, I forgot to publish it. This is a good lesson to see. If you don't publish it, you would not be able to add it into your mobile app. So let me go ahead and just click on it, and it brings me back to the description page, and like everything else, I have to click the publish button. So now that it is published, I can now bring it into my mobile app. Just click the back button, and the pop-up repopulates, and now this time the draft icon is gone, and I can select it and click apply, and I brought my links tab into my home page of my mobile app. Don't forget to click save. Now you have it saved, and that's it. You've added a link to your home page. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to continue to watch the other videos as we continue to learn how to add other media assets into your home page of your mobile app.